Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So it's getting hot out there. It's the time of the season, and I am getting a lot of comments on my IcyBreeze video that I did a couple years ago. So I might as well just put out parts that IcyBreeze uses for their cooler, which doesn't work. I remember filling that up with ice. Probably used 3 bags of ice, and it blows cold for a good 15 minutes, and then afterwards the ice melts, and you get about 15 minutes of like air conditioned temperature. But after that, if it's like 9 degrees out, good luck getting anything out of that. Once that ice melts, it doesn't work. So if you're going to use the cooler, you might as well get an ice machine, and I am pretty sure you guys do not have an ice machine to use. All right. But let me get to what they use as far as components are concerned. I'm going to start off with the first component, which is this. It's a computer fan. Okay. I have put links, Amazon links, for this fan, and I'm going to put links for all the stuff, all the different parts that they use. All right. First of all, they use this fan, and you can buy this fan anywhere. Okay, every single part that's in that cooler, you can pretty much purchase, because they pretty much use generic parts that you can pretty much buy on eBay, Amazon, anywhere, to make that cooler up, to make a cooler like that. And these parts, if you add them all up, probably would cost you no more than $50, including the cooler itself, because the cooler wasn't anything special. It wasn't, there was no foam. As if I recall right, I don't have the cooler anymore, but the cooler didn't have, wasn't anything special as far as, being insulated or anything like that. So I'm just gonna start this part. This is the fan that they use, and this is the fan. This is the main fan. This is the only fan that blows out the cool air that, but check out my other videos. I'm gonna put them up. But if you guys want to make your own cooler, IcyBreeze, it's not difficult. It's very easy. It consists of just a couple of things. The main portion of it was the controller, low, medium, or high setting. You probably don't even need that. So start off this fan, guys. All right, and check out for my other videos. I have the rest of the stuff in storage. But I'm gonna get to them, and I'm gonna put some links, and you guys can make your own IcyBreeze. I put out a couple of videos. You guys can see the layout of it in those videos, and you guys don't really need to be mechanically inclined to actually make your own IcyBreeze.